The area of a trapezium is 475 centimeter square and the height is 19 centimeter. Find the length of its parallel sides if one side is 4 centimeter greater than the other side. So, a trapezium ABCD has been drawn over there and the perpendicular distance between parallel side is given as 19 centimeter. We don't know the length of parallel side. They have given only one side is 4 centimeter greater than the other side. So the sides we don't know, that is A and B, we don't know. So we can take one of the side as x, so the other side will become x plus 4 centimeter. We can start given one of the parallel side we don't know, so we take it as x centimeter. So the other side equal to x plus 4 centimeter. It is given that area of trapezium equal to 475 centimeter square. Do you remember the area of trapezium? Yes, it is half into h into a plus b, where a and b are the length of parallel side, equal to 475 centimeters square. That is half into, here also given the perpendicular height between the parallel side is 19 centimeter. So half into 19 into x plus 4 equal to 475, or 19 into 2x plus 4 equal to 475 into 2 equal to 950, or 2x plus 4 equal to 950 divided by 19. Now you can divide 95 by 19. Cancelling, we get 5, 50. So 2x equal to 50 minus 4, that is equal to 46. Therefore, x equal to 46 upon 2 equal to 23 centimeter. We can find the length of parallel side. So one of the parallel side equal to 23 centimeter and the other side equal to x plus 4, that is equal to 23 plus 4 equal to 27 centimeter. Therefore, the required length of parallel sides are 23 centimeter and 27 centimeter respectively. Next question. The triangular side walls of a flyover is used for advertisement. The sides of walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company fixed one of its wall for 3 months. How much the rent did it pay? This is the question. The wall is in the shape of a triangle with its sides A equal to 122 meter, B equal to 22 meter and C equal to 120 meter. And the earning is rupees 5,000 per meter square. That means here we have to find the area of the triangle. Area of triangular wall is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. where S equal to 122 plus 22 plus 120 divided by 2. That is 264 divided by 2 equal to 132 centimeter is the semi-perimeter. Substitute the value over here. 132 into 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22, 132 minus third side is 120. So we get 132 into 132 minus 122 is 10 into 132 minus 122 gives 110 and 12. Now we can do the prime factorization of 132. Outside, 1 3 outside, 11. These are 2 2s, 1 2 I have taken outside. From 5 I have taken 1 2. From here 1 more 2. While multiplying this we get 1320 centimeters square, which is the area of triangle. And it is given cost for advertisement yields and earning rupees 5,000 per meter square. So we can write down earning in 1 meter square equal to, this also in meter square only, 1 meter square equal to rupees 5,000 per year. Therefore, earning in 1 meter square per year is this one. So earning in 1 month, 1 meter square in 1 month equal to rupees 5,000 upon 12. This is the earning in 1 month. Here the question is earning in 3 months. Therefore, earning in 1 meter square in 1 month equal to rupees 5,000 divided by 12, because 1 year has 12 months. Now, earning in 1 meter square in 3 months, we have to find how much rent did it pay for 3 months. So, earning in 1 meter square in 3 months equal to 1 month multiplied by 3, that is rupees 5,000 upon 12 multiplied by 3. Here we have 1,320 meters square total area. So, we can find, therefore, earning in 1,320 meters square for 3 months equal to 5,000 upon 12 into 3 multiplied by 1,320. Equal to rupees 16,50,000. So, how much rent did it pay for 3 months is rupees 16,50,000 rupees.